What's really good, people? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Rashad, and we are back with another reaction to My Hero Academia. This one is season 5, episode 9, Early Bird. Last time on My Hero Academia, we had probably one of my favorite fights of this season so far. It was Tenya and Todoroki's team against Tetsu and Mudman's team. Mudman and Pony being the MVPs of Class B. It was a very tough fight and ended up in a draw thanks to Pony. Class A has got 1 win, Class B's got 1 win, and they have a draw so far. So let's see what happens with Bakugo's team, who is up next. I'm excited to see how much he's improved too. So let's just jump straight into reaction. Let's go, young Bakugo! He's taking the lead as usual. Yep. He has changed. His relationship with Deku's changed, definitely. And as Jiro said, he's cooperating. He's just like a Inosuke. No. 1, that's stupid to do in this situation because they know him. And 2 is Bakugo, he's not going to do that. Yep. Overwhelming force. Ooh, support items. See, look, he's actually been helpful. He's expected them to carry their own weight and not have to rely on him, but he's helping him nonetheless. It looks like loads of little feet just walking around. They're trying to confuse Jiro. Yep, it's a trap. What the fuck? Those were pieces of her body? Lizard tail splitter. That's disgusting. Look how her eye just floating there, like Gara. It must be able to like regenerate or something, because otherwise if you blow up a piece of her, isn't a piece of her now missing? Like if I destroyed her liver, is she now dead? Oh shit, look at this Cypher looking motherfucker. Jack Mantis. Oh, it's like that villain before that used the enhancement drug. Oh, Bakugo came in clutch, let's go! I came in again! Did he just launch himself off her? Nice. He saved her. He's incorporated all of that into his own thinking, that's dope. Let's go, Bakugo! Oh my god, that guy is dead. Oh my god, the character development. Oh, he blocked that shit. Damn. Bakugo's out here saving his teammates, supporting his teammates. Flawless victory, let's go! Oh my god, Bakugo was all the smoke. He said no casualties, 4-0. I'm hyped. Let's get it. Yes, go! Oh my god, the movement! Look at our boy go! Yeah, fuck off. He was out. No, it's Welder. I remember this guy. He was one from the training camp. What the fuck? Bakugo should be able to break out though, right? At a molecular level? They're in his back! His back's bleeding, bro! He welded Bakugo to the wall in his back, with his back. I'm not even making sense, but you can see it. They're attached to him. Oh, be careful, this looks pain. Look, they're in his back still. Oh my god, Bakugo don't give a fuck. That must be terrifying, watching him come after you like that. See? He's leading the way, but he's making sure that his team gets the dubs. Oh shit! He's relying on them. He's counting on his teammates, which he's never really done before. You guys saved me. Let's go. Oh my god, I'm loving this shit. Look at this guy running. Oh my god. Overkill. Look at that, just leaving it for his team. Let's go. That's so dope. 2 down, 2 to go. Look at this shit. How is this guy not dead yet? What the fuck? Perfect team. Perfect teamwork. Oh, he's tracking her? Oh, he put a grenade! Let's go, Zero! Here we go! Rip. Done out here. It's over for you. You didn't change at all. Now. Wow. Flawless victory, that's how real heroes win. It's how the strong win. Oh, he got a quick dub 4-0. And look at him with a drip. Bakugo. Oh my god. One of my favorites. Oh, chills. Shit. Wow. He's not even in his way. What the fuck? Bakugo. Improve, Deku. You have to improve. He's setting the bar high. Yeah. You better. Well done, Team Bakugo. Oh shit. Class B can't win anymore. They can only draw. Yeah. Damn. Oh, he's not upset? Well, if they draw, he still proves his point, so they don't actually have to win, I guess. Yeah. I get Monoma. I get him. I love his character too. Oh, yeah. He tried it before, it didn't work. So it's happened to Monoma before where he hasn't copied someone's quirk and he calls it a blank. That's interesting. I thought he could always copy people's quirk and the only reason he couldn't copy Deku's is because he has multiple. Just like 9. Yeah, Deku's team is at a disadvantage just because they're not as balanced. But doesn't mean that they can't show out. Even they know it. What is with the Ashido R shots? I just realized that there's cheeks just right next to me. Oh, superhero landing. That was a few days ago, man. We straight. Yeah, they are. You're the powerhouse. He has to do what Bakugo did and save his and protect his teammates. Come on, Deku, show us what you can do. No, you can't do any less than Bakugo did. Whew. And I want to see Monoma fight tomorrow. I actually want to see Monoma fight, actually. I want to see him show out. Show how much he's improved with his quirk. Let's go! Match 5! Oh, I'm gassed! Okay, so I know that I said last episode was my favourite fight so far, but this one has blown that one straight out of the water. Last fight was more of an emotional, tension-filled struggle for the win. which I really, really enjoyed. But seeing Bakugo not change, but more evolve the way that he thinks to incorporate the fact that he can take the lead and he can be the focus of a battle, but he still needs his teammates to be able to, one, keep up with him, and two, he needs to be able to rely on the fact that they can do their jobs as good as he can. And he also needs to be as powerful as he can be in those situations to protect his teammates when they're in trouble. Because if he can't protect his teammates or people that are in need, then he's not the strongest and he hasn't surpassed All Might. So now that he's realized that, I think that with the kid training and with the saving people but making them feel good about themselves or safe and stuff like that, I feel like that's also incorporated into this new view of his, which is basically what he thought before, but it's just he's just on a later path. It's just he's evolved his thinking. I wouldn't say he's changed it at all. He's just evolved and taken in other influences to have a new outlook. Still wants to be the best. He still wants to be the strongest and win flawless victories, but he's always wanted that. He's just now incorporated different ways of doing so, which is the perfect character development for Bakugo. He still gets things done his own way, being a dick most of the time, but you can't dispute that he is not wrong. And with his way, he gets results. I can only hope that Deku lives up to Bakugo's example in his fight and does exactly the same thing. Overwhelming power or a flawless victory. That's what I want. Anyways, guys, that was my reaction to My Hero Academia Season 5, Episode 9, Early Bird. My favourite fight of the season so far, and that's probably going to change as soon as I see Deku's fight next week. So make sure you catch that reaction. But let me know what you thought about this episode down in the comment section below. Smash the like button if you enjoyed this reaction. Subscribe if you're new to my channel. As usual, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.